Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to detect deforestation and afforestation changes over the last 20 years using unsupervised image classification in ArcGIS. So here I have two images, one of Landsat 7 of 2004 and the other one is from Landsat 8 of 2024. We will classify both images into two classes, forest class and non-forest class, and then we will calculate how much land was lost or gained. So I took my area of interest over Brazil, and here you can see that I have apply a natural band combination. So I have blue, green, red and NIR band of Landsat 7, and here blue, green, red, NIR and shortwave infrared. So if you want to see a false color combination, then you can just simply change the combination to 4, 3 and 2. This is false color combination, and similarly for this 4, 3 and 2. All these reddish area is actually vegetation, dense forest vegetation, and for the visualization of water you can change this to 4, 5 and 3. So first of all we will classify this 2004 image into two class, forest class and non-forest class. So make sure that you have select this image right over here, and in classification use this ISO cluster unsupervised classification tool and just drag and drop your raster dataset right over here. So here let's suppose I want to create randomly 5 classes. What will this tool do? This tool will randomly generate 5 classes or cluster over this raster dataset. You can see that I just randomly say to this tool that you have to make 5 classes over this image. Now what I need to do, I will note down that which class is representing the dense forest. So just open your notepad or anything else, and with the help of image analysis tool just select your output from over here and this tool. Now when you will click and drag your mouse, then you can easily visualize these classes. So over here I am seeing that this brown or yellow first class is not representing a dense vegetation. This is representing me a water body. So I will skip this and I will check the second class, that is purple colors. Purple color second class is actually dense vegetation, and then similarly the third class is also showing that there is dense vegetation. But red and green classes, red class is sparse vegetation or low vegetation, and green class is showing bare land. So what I will do, I will again open this search tool and I will search for a reclassify tool. Just open this tool, drag and drop your raster dataset, and now okay, so I have just noted that first class is not a forest class, so I will assign a zero class to this. Then second class is showing forest area and this class will be equal to 1. Third class is also showing a forest area and this will also equal to 1. 4 and 5th are not showing forest area, so they will equal to 0. So all classes that are representing dense vegetation or forested area are equal to 1, and all other classes that are non-forest area, they are equal to 0. So non-forested area and forested area. You can change the destination and change the name of this image. Just hit OK. So now you will have this output after this reclassified tool. So first class is actually representing the forest cover, and all this 0 class is actually non-forested area. Similarly, we will do the same thing for 2024. Just rename this reclass underscore 2004. Now turn off this. Again, just make sure that now this time select your 2024 Landsat 8 image and open this ISO cluster unsupervised image classification tool, and again classes will be 5, and you can change the output location. Make sure that your input band is 2024. Just hit OK. After running this tool, you will have another output just like this. Again, we have to visualize, we have to interpret that which class now is representing dense forest. So again, you will go to image analysis, select your this raster dataset, and make sure that your 2024 image is also turned on. Use this swipe tool again and check this again, that green first class is not dense vegetation. Again, blue class, yes, it is vegetation. And again check for this third class, that is green. So green class is also showing some vegetation, but it is not equal to that dense area. So okay, so now you can see right over here that this green class is also not showing dense forest area, just like this. This is showing that vegetation is also available under this class, but that vegetation is not equal to this dense vegetation that is under blue class. So only second class is representing the true dense forest. Okay, again you will open your search toolbox, reclassify tool, enter your this raster data, and first class is not representing for dense forest area. This will equal to 0. Second class is showing forested area. Third class is not representing dense forested area. Like you can see right over here that this area under green class is also affected. Okay, so for this class, what you can say that this is vegetation area, but this is also affected area. This will equal to 0. And this fourth class is also not showing dense forested area. This fifth class is also not showing dense forested area. And just hit. Okay, so now we have a reclassified raster of both here. Now if I will open this image, and in image analysis just select this raster dataset, and if I will swipe, then you can clearly see that this green class is actually representing dense forested area. Other second class is not showing and representing forested area, just like this. And similarly for this one, just like this, you can see that first class is representing forested area, but this class is not representing forested area. Now next step, we will subtract this image from 2024. So for this, just open your search toolbox and search for raster calculator, this tool, and this time you will take this raster dataset reclass 2004 and subtract it or minus it with the reclass 2024. and assign a output location, and then just hit OK. After this expression in raster calculator, you will have a raster just like this. So all class that is equal to 1 is actually affected class in between 2004 to 2024, and this -1 class is, you can say, gained class, that vegetation increase in this area, and 0 class is actually representing no change. Turn this off, then open your 2024 Landsat 8 composite, change its color to black just like this. Now we will do a comparison. First of all, from over here, also turn off this class. Now go to your image analysis tab, and right over here select your reclass and this tool and swipe this. So under black class you will see a bare land in 2024, just like this. Again right over here, but in 2004 there is vegetation under these black class. You can see right over here. My coordinate system of this project is already in UTM. What you can do, you can again go to search, and from over here search for raster to polygon and add this reclass raster over here and hit OK. So after this you will have a shapefile just like this. Open its attribute, and you can see right over here this grid code field. So 1 is actually representing deforested area polygon, and -1 gained area, and 0 is representing no change. So what you can do, you can dissolve this shapefile with field of grid code and hit OK. So you will have another shapefile. Again go to its properties, symbology, categorize, grid code, add values. So I don't want to visualize this -1 and 0 values. I only want to see affected areas in between 2004 to 2024. This red color. Can be black. Or what you can do, you can again go to its attribute table, and you can see over here that you can add another field, hectares. Type will be double. Go to field calculator. Now field calculate geometry area in hectare. Okay, so deselect this and again go to calculate geometry and then in hectare. So approximately 6,678 hectare area over this area of interest have been affected with deforestation from 2004 to 2024. Affected due to deforestation in this AOI. And all customization is up to you. So you can export this map. Deforest, make sure that what is the format of output, 400 dpi. Save this, visualize your data set. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Many thanks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.